Welcome back to another video from All American Arts. Today I was going to do a shop tour. Still am going to. But I was looking at this table saw. The top's getting pretty dirty, rusty colored. When you got a garage that ain't insulated and heated year round, moisture gets in here and stuff. So I'm going to do a quick video on how to clean it and seal it. Make it last a little bit longer in the weather. I'm just going to use WD-40. We're going to spray that on there, let it sit. That's going to eat the dust away. Using a Scotch-brite pad, scrape it all down. And then we'll put some Johnson's paste wax on it after. Makes it a little smoother. Also protect it, seal it up. So we'll hop right into that. We'll get going here. So as I'm sure you can see in the camera, it's pretty rusty. This side really isn't horrible, but definitely needs to be cleaned. Every once in a while I set a pop on there so you can see the water rings and stuff. So I'll put you down over here. We're just going to start with the WD-40 like I said. Spray it all down really good. It's going to draw all the moisture out and also break down that rust. So we got quite a bit on there. We'll let that sit for a good 15 minutes. Then I'll pop the camera back on, we'll scrub her down. Alright, we're back. It's been about 15 minutes. My whole garage smells like WD-40. So we'll just start Scotch-briting all this. There is some spots that are pretty pitted. I might have to hit them with like a steel wool or steel brush. But I can tell it already took quite a bit of rust off. We'll just have to hit those other spots with something else. I'm gonna grab a rag here, we'll wipe it down, see what it looks like. So as you can see, that's already a lot better. There's the before and after. We'll just have to hit those other spots with something more abrasive. And I do got a little bit of glue on here and stuff. But we'll finish cleaning the rest of the table here. And we're back. So what I did, I just took a really soft brush, hit those really bad spots, and it is 10 times better than it was. I really shouldn't have waited that long to actually clean it, but I also did not get the table saw brand new, so it was sitting in the garage for a while, and it did collect a little rust and stuff, so it wasn't brand new when I got it. So it is 10 times better than it was a couple minutes ago. But now we'll take some paste wax. Let's get a rag here, scoop some out, and we'll just rub the whole saw down with that. We'll make it so the wood slides nice on there. Plus it'll also protect it. This will get in every little crack and stuff and kind of keep the moisture out of there. So just put a nice little layer of that everywhere you can get to, especially in the tracks and stuff. You'll make all your sliders and stuff go a lot smoother in there. But thanks for watching. I hope that helped you out. You can really use that on any metal surface to help you clean and keep it maintained. Should do that quite a bit. Keep up with it. Then it won't get as bad as my table saw top was. Make your tools last a little bit longer. Make them look better. Make stuff slide on it easier. So make sure you click that subscribe button. Check out all my other videos. I just thought I would do this quick. Maybe help somebody out. Thanks again. Thanks for watching All American Arts. We'll see you next time.